students, welcome to Narayana Learning Classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 64 related to the topic mensuration. Right? Here is the first question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using thin aluminum sheet. So here you want to make some shape, that is cylinder with two cones like that. Two cones, right? Two cones, two ends using thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters and its length is 12 centimeters. So diameter is 3 centimeters means radius is 1.5 centimeter and total height is 12 centimeter. Total height is 12 centimeters, right? Total height is 12 centimeter. If each cone has height 2 centimeter, then volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made is. So height of each cone, again given, height of each cone is 2 centimeter. Here also this height is 2 centimeter, right? Now air is nothing but volume. Volume of this total model. Volume of this total model is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of total model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Volume of these two cones. So we know volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h plus 2 into volume of cones 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Here the height of the cylinder I will take it as h1 and the height of the cones are h2. I am taking h2, right? So that is equal to pi r square I will take common, that is h1 plus 2/3 into h2. 2/3 into h2. So that is equal to pi is 22/7 into r. Radius is 1.5 centimeter, that is 15/10 whole square pi r square into h1. Height of the cylinder. This total is 12 and from here to here it is 2, here to it is 2, 4. Total 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Right? 8 plus 2/3 into h2. Height of the cone is 2 centimeters. That is equal to 22/7 into 225/100 into 3 is LCM 24 plus 4/3. That is equal to 22/7 into 225/100 into 28/3. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28 and 3 ones are 7 threes are 21, 75 times. 75 threes are, right? Again 25, 3 25s are 4 25s are, and this 4 get cancelled, right? So 3 into 22, that is 66 centimeter cube. So the answer is 66 centimeter cube. So that air comes in this 66 centimeter cube. Next, a pen stand made of wood in the shape of cuboid. With 4 conical depressions to hold pens like this. Holes, like a cone shape holes. In this cuboid shape, right? The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeter. Radius of these holes, this conical base of these cones is 0.5 centimeters, and depth is 1.4 centimeter. Means the height of the cone is 1.4 centimeter. Then the volume of the wood in entire stand is, volume of the wood in the entire stand is, that is nothing but volume of the wood in the entire stand. So volume of the wood, volume of the wood in the entire stand is equal to volume of cuboid, volume of this total cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone. 4 into volume, how many cone shapes are there? 4 cone shapes. So total volume minus this whole volume of this holes. Hole is in the shape of cone, right? That 4 cones. So that is equal to volume of cuboid L into B into H minus 4 into volume of the cone, that is 1/3 pi r square into H, that is equal to L. What is the length? Length is given cuboids 15 into 10 into 3.5 plus 4 into 1/3 into 22/7 into R. What is R? Radius is 0.5. That is nothing but 5/10 into 5/10 into height. Depth is nothing but height. That is 14/10 centimeters. 14/10. That is equal to 10 into 3.5, 35. 35 into 15. Here calculate 35 into 15. 5 15s are 75. 5, 7. 3 15s are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. That is 525 plus 525 plus, so 2 times, and this is 2 times. So 2, 4, 17, 14 get cancelled. 2 7s are 14, 14, 14 get cancelled, and this is 11 times. So 2 times, 5 times. So 2 into 11, 22 by 3 into 5, 50. 3 into 5, 15. Now calculate 22 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 7, 0.6, 6 15s are 4 15s are 60. 10, 100. 6 15s are 100. 666 approximately 1.47. This value is 1.47. That is equal to 525. Sorry, this is not plus, minus. This is minus 4 into, right? Minus 4 into. Here also minus 4 into volume. 525 minus 1.47. That is equal to 523.53. 523.53 centimeter cube. So the volume is 523.53 centimeter cube. Option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. A solid iron pole consists of cylinder of height 220 centimeters and the base radius is 24 centimeters, which is surmounted by another cylinder height 60 centimeters and radius 8 centimeters. And the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 grams of mass is. So first cylinder, volume of this first cylinder, right? So large cylinder, we take a large cylinder, right? Volume of large cylinder is equal to what is volume? Pi r square h. Pi r square h, that is equal to pi into r. What is r? Diameter is 24, means r is 12, radius is 12 whole square into what is the height? 220 centimeter cube. This is the volume of larger cylinder, right? Now volume of smaller cylinder is equal to pi into what is the smaller cylinder? Height 60 centimeters and radius 8 centimeters, that is 8 whole square into 60 centimeter cube. Now total volume is equal to pi is nothing but 3.14, right? 3.14 into 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60 centimeter cube. 64 into 60 centimeter cube, right? This volume is this one, and given 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many grams? 8 grams. So the weight is equal to 314 by 100, suppose, into 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60 into 8 grams. This total into 8 grams. That is equal to if you multiply this one, you get 8922 by 100 grams. Again, if you divide with this divide with 10,000 kg. If you calculate this one, you get this much kg, that is equal to 892.26 kg. The weight is 892.26 kg. That is option 4 is the correct answer. This is today's assignment. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.